आपका इस बारे में क्या कहना है?
Well, I think this is the mantra,
हम्म।
because you see, MBBS charges you so much.
हम्म।
It empowers you so much that if you do not apply that knowledge, you know, you will not be able to discover what kind of a doctor you are. The
हम्म।
discovery of your persona, your personality as a doctor. There are various kinds of doctors. There are various जिसे कहते हैं श्रेणी है चिकित्सक की, not just in terms of specialities, not just in terms of you discover, okay, this is my forte, this is my USP, and this is your aspiration, this is what you want to do in medical career, this is how you want to heal people. And this discovery, self discovery, is very crucial for a successful, joyous medical, truly gratifying
So
healthy.
you somewhere are trying to suggest that in some of the world's best MBA programs, they say that you come with a work ex of at least 3 years. And
Yes.
if you have a work ex of 3 years, then we will admit you. So is this the protocol at our NEET PG level, or you can just directly go on and on and on?
But the current NEET PG doesn't entail this eligibility criteria. It just
Okay.
says, and during our time, our class fellows used to start preparing, right at the start of the internship or even at the start of the first year itself. And some of the students were very clear, I have to do USMLE. So they used to start preparing from first prof itself. And some decided during the course. So, that path is, very I mean, just before it's quite premature, I would say. So, in my recommendation, this decision, this triaging, which paths to choose for the next step of it, or whether to choose or not, even. Well, our country, the kind of health scenario we have, as many health cases and problems you analyze, the vast variety of healthcare ecosystem, health providers which are there in the states today, in the country today, it needs the doctor on record, the GPs, the general
Mhm.
practitioners,
So
and
what kind of a blindfolding comes into your learning? You might be a very meticulous student. I'm just asking a hypothetical question that
Mhm.
had you gone into this rut कि मुझे super specialization के जाना है from your first year itself, like your story is a quite differentiated one कि you dropped 1 year to get into your love of life called AIMS despite being an all India rank one in the then NEET examination. You said no, I have to go to those hallowed, I would say, presence of that very college. तो आपने अगर ये नहीं किया होता तो what you would have missed? I'm just trying to put this question onto you because आप अपनी clinical practices में as you have shown demonstrated that you have diagnosed some of the most rare of the diseases with the help of your heuristics, with the help of your only 5 years of intense medical education at AIMS Delhi. तो अगर आपने ये नहीं किया होता एंड व्हाट पीपल नॉट अबाउट अदर पीपल what you would have done differently otherwise and not become such an efficacious GP yourself?
Well, I do definitely feel that during the start of my medical career education at my medical college at AIMS, I had decided that I'm going to now study, you know, even more deeply for my concepts. What I had
Mm.
studied in my 11th till my 11th 12th, I never studied for a rank or marks. But this conscious decision came to me that I'm going to make the best out of the MBBS program.